Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to add and subtract fractions. To add two fractions together, first remember that the top of a fraction is called the numerator and the bottom is called the denominator. Now, to add these two fractions, you add the two numerators and you keep the denominator the same. So, we add the numerators. So we add 1 plus 1 to give us 2. And we keep the denominators the same. So, this stays at 2. Then we check if it can be simplified. 2 over 2 can be simplified to 1. Because 2 over 2 is 1 whole. You can also think about fractions as pieces of pie. So, 1/2 plus 1/2 of a pie gives you 2 out of 2 pieces, or 1 whole. Let's look at another example. If we have 5/12 plus 3/12, remember we add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. So this gives us 5 plus 3, which is 8 over 12. Then we check if it can be simplified. This can, because 4 goes into both of these numbers. 4 goes into 8 2 times, so we have 2 over, and 4 goes into 12 3 times, so the simplified answer is 2 over 3. Now, let's look at how to subtract fractions. To subtract fractions is pretty much exactly the same, except you subtract the numbers. So let's say we have 6/12 minus 3/12. So, we subtract the numerators this time to give us 6 minus 3, which is 3, and we keep the denominator the same, so 3/12. Now we see if this can be simplified. It can. 3 goes into both of these numbers. 3 goes into itself 1 time, and 3 goes into 12 4 times. So the simplified answer is 1/4. It's a common mistake to forget to simplify, so make sure you check. Let's look at one final example to make sure you understand this. This time we'll look at 10 over 15 minus 5 over 15. So we subtract our numerators to give us 5 over 15, which is also simplified. 5 goes into itself 1 time, and into 15 3 times. So our simplified answer is 1/3. That is how you add and subtract fractions. One important thing to note is that you cannot add and subtract fractions straight away that do not have a common denominator. So if we have 3/8 plus 6/12, we cannot add these, because the bottom number is not the same. There's an extra step you need to do if this happens, which I will show in the video that is right here if you click here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't, like if you liked the video, comment if you have any questions or feedback, and I hope to see you very soon.